Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your iPhone is unlocked, connected to Wi-Fi or cellular, and logged into the Google account you'll use. Open the Google Photos app now. When it asks for permissions, tap Allow for Photos and Background App Refresh. Once done, tap your profile icon in the app's top right, because that opens backup settings. Make sure you choose the correct account. This prevents photos from uploading to the wrong profile and saves time later. You now enable backup and sync inside settings and pick upload quality. Original preserves full resolution. Storage saver reduces file size. After that, tap backup device folders to include albums such as screenshots or WhatsApp images. Toggle each folder you want uploaded. Make sure to set use cellular data for backups only if you accept data usage. Otherwise, keep Wi-Fi only. This ensures the right images start uploading. Finish by confirming uploads. View the photos grid and look for cloud or syncing indicators. Pull down to refresh and force a sync. If items haven't uploaded, free up iPhone space in Settings General iPhone Storage because low storage can block background uploads. If problems persist, sign out and back into Google Photos, update the app from the App Store, or reboot the phone. Then select any stuck photos and tap Upload. This sequence usually resolves the remaining issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.